In Management, we'll be talking about Agile project management techniques, Scrum, artifacts. Please welcome Management.
Have you heard about Agile project management? I'm sure you do. Agile project management is an iterative and incremental process to develop a software or a product. It is an advanced project management technique that is being used today in most of the industries. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the Agile project management methodologies called Scrum. It is a process to develop a software. For example, a software, we have a software development life cycle. So we have iterative process to develop a piece of software within a short period of time. Then add the same process to repeatedly. So my agenda today is I'm going to talk about Scrum artifacts. There are some artifacts being used in this process. So the main artifacts in the Scrum methodology is product backlog. And next is sprint backlog and burn down charts. First, I'm going to talk about product backlog. Product backlog is nothing but where you gather the requirements for the software. You make a list of prioritized features or issues that you want to address for a system. It's typically a spreadsheet, and it is being maintained by the product owner. This product backlog usually created during the sprint planning meeting. So it can be reprioritized every sprint planning meeting. So once we have all this list of the features, and the sample product backlog looks like this. So we have user stories, all the features, what is the status, and what is the iteration we have. This is the basic product backlog that contains the content. And we also estimate these product items, backlog items. So usually we estimate this using based on the complexity of the unit that you are going to work on, the feature. There are different types of estimation techniques, like large, medium, small technique, or you use your story points, or you use like number of hours or how many days is going to take. So this kind of this is usually due for regular project management. How you do the technique is basically you speak with the expert either within the team, ask about the task, typically how long is going to take, or we use the traditional project management technique, create a work breakdown structure. It's a standard way of doing project estimation technique. This is only, the estimate is only a forecast. It's not exactly the same what you're going to, it's not exactly accurate, it's only a forecast what you do. So the next thing is a sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is a subset of product backlog just we saw a few minutes ago, and that will be identified for the team within a sprint. The sprint is a fixed duration that we use it to develop it for every project. You decide that sprint fixed duration, maybe 2 weeks or 1 month, but it cannot be changed later once you start the project. So during that sprint fixed duration, we identify the subset of the items from the product backlog, and you will work on that sprint items during the sprint cycle. So in the sprint, you basically you identify the tasks, what needs to be done within that sprint. So usually the team members will identify the tasks needs to be done within the sprint. And usually the task cannot exceed more than 300 within the sprint cycle. And each task cannot exceed 16 hours. If it does, then we need to break down, making sure that it don't fall below 16 hours. And one more thing, the team can add or change the tasks within the sprint backlog. But product owner cannot do this. He's not supposed to do that. He's only responsible for product backlog. So this is basically the sprint backlog that is being used for Scrum. It is again used as a kind of forecast how the project is going to go along the way, because you're doing multiple iterations. It's kind of forecast where the project can be done, cannot be done. It's kind of given a judgment for you. And it's also it's kind of a warning. Something goes wrong. Okay, it gives we cannot do some features maybe a long run, so we can take a decision on the time. So there's one way of taking decisions. Next one is the burn down charts. These burn down charts usually is to find out how the project is being progressing, how the work is being done. So there are three types of burn down charts. The sprint burn down chart. The sprint burn down charts, as well as the release burn down charts, as well as product burn down chart. During the sprint burn down, so what it tells you, how much work is remaining to be completed within the sprint. It will tell you. Because during this sprint, the team members will update the status every day. So they go and update how many hours to spend on each day. So they get updated every day. So based on the keep tracking of that every day, you will come to know estimated this many hours, and so you completed this many, so much hours remaining. So you keep track of that, or we have track of the sprint or not. So it's not straight. Sometimes it go up. So I have a sample chart here. So this is how it works. So you have how many days versus the tasks number of days. Usually, if everything goes well, at the end of the sprint it should be 0. But usually sometimes you never know, something pops up. So hours go up, and usually sometimes. So this is how the sample, how the sprint burn down chart looks like. So next one is release burn down chart. So what is the release burn down chart? So it will tell you like when we release the product. It will tell you the estimation, like how far you progressed, and what is the delivery time or release time. It can estimate using this chart. Again, so during release, what happens is for a release a product, in the beginning you decide what are all the features that you want to go put into this release. So then those features belongs to one of the sprints. So you come up with all these sprint. So you combine all the sprints that goes with the release, and you identify where are we within the sprint, how long it's going to take, and we made each sprint on time or go up and down. And based on that, you will find out, okay, are we going to release the product on time or go up or down, based on keeping track of this. So this is another feature of the release burn down chart. And product burn down is another thing is, so when you develop a product, so then you have a product backlog. And the product backlog is, so this chart will tell you when you are going to complete the product. What is the estimate? This gives you the overall big picture of the project progress. So because it will combine all the sprints and total effort that is going to take, and how many sprints you completed, and so you also track the velocity, how fast the team was progressing, and did we really achieve when we are going to complete the project. This is kind of overall big project status progress. So I think these artifacts or the charts that will help you in tracking the project status in your daily project activities. I hope this will help you. Thank you very much.